Hello Mikey Likers and welcome to another edition of Mikey Likey Vlogs. Today, isasama ko kayo sa aming family getaway. Panghabol sa summer tag-init.
Smile! Ali! Ayun na si Ali. Where do you wanna go? Huh? Where do you wanna go? Good morning! So this weekend, we kick-started summer at Matabungkay Beach Hotel. Of course, at Matabungkay, Batangas. And so I'm with my family, celebrating my sister's birthday. And
ito ang view na bumungad sa amin kinaumagahan. Napakagandang beachfront. And tingnan naman doon may dock na pwede nyo lakarin to enjoy the beautiful water. Marami pa niyan mamaya. Opening billboard muna tayo. Welcome to Matabungkay Beach Hotel, your ultimate destination for relaxation, adventure, and unforgettable experiences. Nestled along the pristine shores of the Philippines, Matabungkay Beach Hotel offers a haven of tranquility and luxury, where every moment is crafted to perfection. So kung romantic getaway man yan, family vacation, or a thrilling adventure, Matabungkay Beach Hotel has something for everyone. Dive into crystal clear waters, unwind on sun-kissed beaches, or explore the vibrant marine life beneath the surface. With a wide range of water sports and activities, there's never a dull moment at Matabungkay. Okay, let's go! Tour muna tayo sa vicinity ng buong resort.
sorry for the halat. So we have this spacious room. TV. Basics. And then this is your hot and cold naman, yung shower. Room. Ayan. Sorry for the kalat ulit. Hi! Cabinet. Which, by the way, okay. So we get to see right from your bed. There's an attic room. Ta-da! So this can sleep 3 folks. 1, 2, 3. And then you also get your own backyard. Yun. So makikita ninyo isang octave lang talaga siya. Octagon. Parang yun sa mga Spanish telenovelas. Ayan. So we get to use that as well. Green views. Morning.
Ito po siya, good for the person po, TV and Wi-Fi.
Veranda to kaya?
Veranda siya.
Okay. Mukha siyang aning dito. Maximum capacity niya po is
2 to 4 po.
2 to 4. May breakfast po dito
Sa pag-serve po siya with breakfast po 4 to 2.
4 to po pag may breakfast. Inclusive na po dito. Ay, ito pala yung may mini ref na rin pala. Ito kasi parang sarili yung, parang maliit yung subdivision, sarili yung beachfront. Ah, okay. Dito yung dalawang house na.
Pero pagkaroon sir, review mo rin namin sir.
Ay, ano po ba ito? Sofa? Ah,
Pero pagkakapag sila,
tabo. Mas may TV dito ah. Okay lang ngayon. Ay, hala ko. Sanay. Ah, nakagusan na. Maximum of 4 ano kuya? Maximum na talaga yun.
sa lima sir, alangan na sir, medyo sikip na.
Ah. Pero kung halimbawa, kami, may baby kami na isa.
Pwede naman po.
Kumbaga, yun, parang 4 na adults, isang baby. Ano po ito?
Nasa yan.
Ah. Okay. Lahat naman po ng units dito, kapag halimbawa brownout, may generator naman po, ano? Ako nasa set ng Hollywood na series. Ah.
Ayaw mo yan po.
Ay, pasok. Masarap.
Kahit gabi sir, safe naman. Kahit nakapag sa sir. Yung ibang ayaw mo ganito, yan po yung
Ah.
gusto na sir dito yung manukuha sir.
Ano pag...
Yung mga hikasan, mabilis gumaling.
Kasi, natural na sea breeze. Ang maganda sunset dito kayo, diba? Ilan ang capacity nito?
Ito, for maximum.
Maximum 5. Ito yung water bill. Tapos, may sofa din. Maximum 5. Hangin lang umiikot ito kuya, no? O bukas? Ay, bukas pala to. Akala ko hangin lang. Diba paikot yung... Ang perfect dito. Ay, may sa inyo, ay lumipat lang. Akala ko may sarili kayong floating natin.
Meron pa concession dito. Yung sa parking area.
Abo.
Hanggang sa alam sa ibig papan sila, bawal pumasok dito.
Ah. Eto, so ano itong mga to?
Concession na lalaan ito.
Ah, so halimbawa,
Buksan.
so nakakakuha. Breakfast buffet. Uy, pretzels. So, also had your hot salabat, brewed coffee. Tapos you have fresh fruits. Thank you.
Hi Maggie Liker, thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon and like this video. See you on the next!